How to use power button to end calls on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually use your power button to end calls on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you receive a call and maybe you talk to them and you want to just end the call without having to press the button, but you want to press the power button, right? For that you have to actually disable a specific feature, and that is to simply open settings and then go to accessibility. Go to the option called touch. Once you go to touch, scroll down, make sure that this is actually turned off. That says prevent lock to end call, because when it is turned on it is going to prevent you from ending the call with the power button. Now once we've done that, I'm going to give a call to this iPhone right over here. So I'll just give you a basic demo of what this is going to look like. So once I give a call and once I receive a call on this specific iPhone, I'll show you how you can end it as well. So as you can see, I've received a call. So what I will do is I'll go ahead and pick it up. Now once I basically pick it up over here, all I will do is, in order to end it, I'll press this side button. Once I press the side button, the call is basically going to get disconnected. As you can see, the call has been disconnected as well. And that's basically how you can use power button to end calls on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.